one. Hello, I'm here. Let's see if AI can solve my problem today. What's my problem? This one. It's too big. I want it circular, and maybe we'll do some effects. So this is the reason it's pretty big, and I really want a circular. I took this text, gave it to ChatGPT. He offered me some names, and we are gonna choose Minivia, Pika. We are going to solve this issue with Flutter and the help of Claude and Cline. So, and just to make it interesting, let's try doing it under 25 seconds, under 25 minutes. Go. So we are going to go to the sandbox. Let's see terminal on sandbox. Now, new terminal folder, and we will do Flutter create. What is a picam? Picam. Let him work. Thank you. We're going to use the VS Code. Open our sandbox project. Picam. Open. Yes, I trust. And as I told you before, we are going to use Cline and its model Claude. Even so, you can do a lot of connect to different models. Gemini Flash is great also. So it uses Claude 3.5 Sonnet. You have auto approve, which is nice. You can give him and he will finish all the tasks. You have this new feature MCP model context protocol server that can do more jobs for you also. We are going to leave it pretty simple for now, only for this purpose. But it's a powerful tool, so you can give it rules. You can do a lot of stuff. Of course, it costs. And you can also give him custom instructions if you want to test at the end of each task. Change his language. Everything is here in the documentation. Really, really, really great model. You run commands. I disabled it. You can create and edit files. You can do it from the browser. Sometimes it takes an image from the browser, which is a lot of tokens. You can add tokens, URL problems, read files and folder. But I'll show you a faster way to do it in small projects. Big projects, you need to do a lot more. So let's return to our app. This is done. And we just need to go over the app to show you. It's a simple app, Flutter app. This is the default. It's already configured. Supports out of the box macOS. Let's just see it. And we want macOS. This is the default Flutter skeleton. And meantime, I'm gonna add. See, working, works, great. Thank you. Out. Let's just add our package that we want. We want to use Camera macOS, especially for package. It has a license, but we are going to use it only for our use. You'll see with the use of Flutter, when you read the documentation, it will configure all the info plist and the entitlement for the debug and release. And also we will place the view that we want in the right place. So what have we done already? Did I put it? Let's install the camera macOS just for sure, because I don't remember if I did it. Adding the plugin. And now before told you can contact it, you can ask Cline to read the site. Or you can do like me. Right, we'll create here a docs folder, and we will open it just a minute here. We will find them. Take the downloaded the docs. And here in the docs, we have the README file from the GitHub, what it supports, how it's installing, the exact docs. We are going to take the reference and go to Cline. Let's close it here. We leave the menu that you'll see is going to work with it. Terminal we don't need now for place. Okay. Read the docs from back. Change my homepage content to use from our docs. We need it. Where the name of the view of the widget. Thank you. Now you'll see how it starts working. You want to read the file, approve it. I saw you can auto approve, give him all the read, browse, and everything. But for the sake of purpose, we'll do it. We'll approve one by hand. Now we want to read our code file, the main file that where I asked to do the changes. See, it will add unnecessary controller from the documents. You have the camera controller and key setup for the build. This is why I want the camera smaller. It's gonna fix himself up also. We also already approved him to work on this file. I don't like it. I want to see more what he says. And you can see what he did. Remove enable set focus point. Add a null safety check. Add a box hit parameter. You want to check if the plugin is installed, if the Flutter package is installed. He's changing the info plist. Look how many times it saved. Opening the Xcode, changing entitlement. Setting up security. And now it's telling us what he has completed. He created, add camera permission, add camera audio permission. We're not going to use the audio, but nice he did. That was already included. Great. Let's check it. How many time is left? 15 minutes. build. Ta-da! Okay, now let's start working, do some changes. Say you want to check him out. Great. Show you something nice now. Let's start with this.